model touring bikes, there's not enough adjustment in some cases. So we came up with these adjusters. Okay, they replace the factory ones. They give you more slot, more adjustable slot on the chain. We came out with this product because 20 and later touring bikes were having problems with getting enough chain adjustment. Okay, guys would put chain kits on their bikes and they were running out of chain adjustment. So Harley went ahead and changed the adjusters. So we're just basically putting them back to the earlier style chain adjusters with this more range on the cam. You can do that, or you can get rid of all this and put a Trask swing arm on your bike that has all the adjustability that you could ever dream of. It's machined out, one side slides over the end of the axle, the other side gets replaced. Okay, so simple, inexpensive part, but highly effective. You buy these from traskperformance.com or any drag specialties dealer.